What if I told you that transforming even the tiniest corner of your home into a stunning, elegant retreat doesn't take a fortune? Today, I'm going to show you how to create a big impact with a small budget, proving that elegance doesn't have to come with a hefty price tag. Let's start with the vision. Small spaces often get overlooked because they seem limited in potential, but that's far from the truth. Every inch holds the promise of beauty and functionality. You just need the right approach to unlock it. Think of your space as a blank canvas waiting to reflect your personality. Whether it's a neglected balcony, a compact backyard, or even the corner of a living room, we're going to turn it into a showstopper that feels uniquely yours. And trust me, you won't need a designer's budget to make it happen. The first step is to define the purpose of your space. Do you want a relaxing reading nook with soft cushions and a place for your favourite cup of tea? Or maybe an outdoor dining area where memories of long summer evenings come alive? Let's say you're leaning toward a cozy yet multifunctional space, something that works for everything from solo relaxation to entertaining guests. To achieve that, we'll focus on a mix of design principles, clever DIY techniques, and affordable materials that mimic the look of high-end decor. Start with the foundation, the flooring. Often overlooked, the floor sets the tone for the entire space. If you're working outdoors, consider interlocking deck tiles. These are budget-friendly, easy to install, and give your space a polished, cohesive look. Indoors, you can use peel and stick vinyl tiles. They come in a variety of patterns, from chic marble to warm oak, and are a breeze to apply, no professional help required. Now, let's talk about colour. Small spaces thrive on lighter shades that reflect light and create an illusion of openness. But don't shy away from adding accents. A deep navy cushion, a terracotta planter, or even a gold-trimmed mirror can introduce layers of sophistication without overwhelming the space. The secret is balance. Keep the base neutral and let the accents do the talking. Here's a trick you'll love: mirrors. Strategic mirror placement not only enhances the sense of space, but also amplifies natural light, making the area feel brighter and more inviting. For an outdoor setting, consider a vintage-style mirror framed by climbing plants. This adds a whimsical, secret garden touch. Furniture is where functionality meets style. In a small space, every piece should serve multiple purposes. Opt for a bench with hidden storage, a foldable table that doubles as a workspace, or stackable chairs that can be tucked away when not in use. Thrift stores and online marketplaces are your best friends here. With a bit of patience, you can find pre-loved gems that just need a fresh coat of paint or new upholstery to shine. Speaking of paint, let's not underestimate its transformative power. A single can of paint can breathe new life into tired furniture or create an accent wall that becomes the focal point of your space. For an elegant touch, consider stenciling a subtle pattern or using metallic paint to add a hint of glamour. Imagine a small balcony with a feature wall in soft lavender, adorned with hanging plants and string lights. It's the kind of detail that turns ordinary into extraordinary. Now, let's move to the heart of any elegant space: lighting. The right lighting can completely change the mood, and it doesn't have to cost a lot. String lights are a classic choice for outdoor spaces, creating a warm, magical ambience. For indoor corners, think floor lamps with a soft, diffused glow, or wall sconces that mimic upscale designs. Solar-powered lights are another great option for energy efficiency and budget friendliness. Place them along pathways or underplants to create dramatic shadows and highlights. No elegant space is complete without greenery. Plants are the ultimate budget-friendly accessory. For small spaces, vertical gardens or wall planters are game changers. Use hardy plants like pothos, succulents, or snake plants. They're low maintenance but high impact. If you want to add a pop of colour, seasonal flowers like petunias or marigolds can brighten the space without breaking the bank. And here's a pro tip: mix real and faux plants. High-quality faux greenery can fill out the space beautifully. While real plants bring life and freshness. Let's not forget texture. Adding layers of texture creates depth and makes a space feel more luxurious. Think plush throws, woven baskets, and patterned rugs. If this inspired you to get started, don't forget to share your journey in the comments. I'd love to hear about your ideas and see your results. And if you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing for more tips and tricks on creating beautiful spaces. Until next time, happy designing. And remember, elegance is always within reach.